everyone, guess what I got in the mail today? I got a package from Luz Artworks. So this is my art journal collaboration with Luz Artworks on YouTube, and she makes the most beautiful journals. They're a different style than I normally create in, which is why I find them so fascinating. She's really good at storytelling and weaving together aspects of her life and her trips and her interests into her journals, whereas I tend to paint in mine. So super exciting to get to swap a journal and collaborate in a style that'll stretch you out in different directions. So I will link in the description below the journal that I sent to her. She's already received it, and I thought that we could open the box that she sent to me and check out the journal that she made that I'll be working in. So let's get started. All right, let's open this box and see what our journal is. I may have cheated and peeked at the one that she made, that she put on YouTube. Oh, wait a minute. Ooh, look at that. A pretty card. Okay, I'll look at that in a second. Oh my goodness. We have little goodies in here. Ah, this is my first book binding project based on your class. Okay, let me set the box over here to the side so that we can see what's coming out, because there's little, ooh, look at this. Look at these. Oh my gosh, I love leaf skeletons and I don't have any. These are so beautiful. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this paper. These are so exciting. This is just as exciting as getting the fun little fabric bundles. Look at these. I love little treats where you get to explore and see what. These are pretty. Oh, look at that. Ooh, I love that. I love this color. For some reason, I like ochre this year. Ochre and pink. Look at that. Ooh, look. Old magazines from the 60s, 1960s, 1900s, and 1990s. How cool is that? Oh my gosh. Nothing like getting some yummy ephemera from the Netherlands. Napoleon. Look at these. Oh my gosh, old ads. I love old ads. Look at that. La Fotografia. Probably said that wrong. But it's a photography ad. I can tell that because it's got the word photograph in it. Look how beautiful. I cannot wait to include some of these lovelies in a piece of art. Oh, look at these pretty little stamens from a flower, just kind of hiding in there. Oh, super cool. There was something else in the box. Let me just see what it is. These, I love these. These are delightful. Okay, there was one more. Let's see. Oh my goodness. A fun little fabric bundle. What? Oh, look how beautiful that is. And never throw away your packaging, because look what's at the bottom. This is so cool. This is the coolest stuff for making textures. And I have one piece where I put this stuff in a lovely watercolor piece, and it had a little bit of texture on it, and that piece of texture made the whole thing. So save that. Look at these pretty fabrics. I sent her a little fabric bundle too, but I didn't collect it. It was one of those 1924 bundles that I had purchased a while back that I thought was so amazing, because they were vintage pieces that the Therese curates, and so I was like, ooh, look at that. Oh, that's super cool. I like the colors. Look at that pretty lace. Oh my gosh. I like little tiny bits of fabric. Look at that. This is reminds me of the pieces that I'd use as my photography fabrics. It's that very loose weave, a lot of movement to it that photographs really well, but that's a color I don't have. I love it. Look at that. I love the teal. Teal is my favorite color. Aqua teal in the blue family. Look at all these pretty things. Oh my gosh, we didn't even get to the book yet. Oh my goodness, look how pretty these are. Okay, I'm very excited now to get to play in some of the fabric bits. You know, these will be like something on a journal cover. Some Dutch, something and French, something and zero waste goodies from Europe. This envelope is from the Dutch Tatch Company. How cool is that? Look at that. I love old pieces of lace. Beautiful. Pretty little, some music, some old book pages. Oh my gosh, this is better than Christmas. Now I wish I could have waited like another month and opened this for Christmas. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. From the bread place, Brioche's bread. I love that. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is a something created by my friend Meta for you to try out. So let's see what this is. Okay, I'm not sure what that says. I'll look at it again when I'm not on camera and we'll see what it says. I think Meta is her friend that does art journaling with her, that she mentioned was coming to visit a day or two after my package was supposed to get to her. And I was like, oh good, maybe that'll get to you in time for you both to. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna have to, there we go. Look at this, it's another book, and this is not even like the official book. Oh, look, it's another book to do. This is not like the, look at this. She said her friend made art journals also. And it's different, amazing papers. Oh, look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Okay, this is very exciting. This one's got 3 sections, and it's apparently a book that her friend made. And look how amazing this cover is. I mean, it's super professional. You would totally buy this in a store. It looks so amazing. Mine are a little bit not as amazing as this because, I don't know, I'm a little sloppy about creating sometimes, just playing and experimenting. What? Look at that pretty piece of satin in there. Wouldn't you like that to be like a pillowcase? Oh. Oh, how many ideas are you getting just looking at these wonderful types of papers that she's included with little fold outs, totally for all of us art journal people. Different things to include in some future books that we're making. I like how there's some fold outs and there's some different size pages and there's different colors. This is gorgeous. And then there's some printed pages, and I'm an animal person, so I love they're animal papers. It's the other piece of that satin and a map. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. These are so beautiful. Oh, and this is the first one that she made in my Skillshare bookmaking classes. So that's very exciting. She did a mini book. Told me the size before a little bit back, so I think it's a 6" by 6". Whew. Look at that fabric cover. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love pretty fabrics. That's very interesting. Ooh, she painted the front. I love the little bits that hang out from the little journals that we make because it just makes it more interesting. Look at that bit of paint there. Some, looks like a magazine page with some writing. I think it's in Dutch. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. I love the different papers that she's included. And I really love this right here, how we've got a book page attached to a shorter piece, which kind of makes me want to, in the other ones that have the burlap, cut the burlap in half and glue something to it like that. Such good ideas. You see what kind, oh, look how gorgeous that is. I'm all about some abstract paint. That right there. That's gorgeous. This part right here, that is some lovely texture. But, you know, I'm all about some beautiful abstract paint there. But all the ideas that you can get sharing with other people, look how pretty that is. It's amazing where your creativity and your inspiration starts to lead you as, ooh, that's pretty. As you look at new things and you get inspired. I love it. I didn't paint in mine nearly as much. I probably should have, but I was so excited just to get the book made that the book itself was part of my art. Look how pretty that is. That's gorgeous. This feels like a piece of fabric that's got some paint on it and then another piece on top of that. Super cool. And I like how she's tied the colors in on both pages and included some of the elements on both pages. Now I don't want to mess it up by painting in it. And I like how there's extra little elements that kind of show up. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And a feather. Oh, I can't even tell you. Look at that pretty ginkgo leaf. We've got a leaf under here. Look how pretty that is. So creative. You can just learn so much. I feel like I might be upside down because that's the second one that I've had where the writing might have been this way. Look at look at that. Ooh, I love it. I love it. This is some pretty texture right here too. Yeah, it just stretches you to get creative, and now this is definitely the right direction. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. This is overwhelming. This is better than Christmas. This is gorgeous. I can't even say thank you enough, Luz, and I can't wait to see what she does with the little goodies and the fabrics and the journal that I sent to her. I'll definitely link those below. And please, please, please tell Meta that this may be the most beautiful book that she's created that I've seen. It is so lovely with the different papers and stuff in it. I can't wait to play a bit in it also. Thank you guys so much, and I hope everybody here on the video watching enjoyed watching me unbox a little journal and some fun goodies that we will be using in some future books. This piece of fabric right here is gorgeous. That can be a page in a book or a book cover. I love it. I love all these little bits. The leaves, the little skeleton leaves, those are beautiful. Hope you enjoyed seeing what came from the Netherlands, and I will see you guys next time.